Welcome everyone. Today, we dive into the heart of Europe and explore the breathtaking beauty of Hungary. This land, rich in complexity, is a fusion of unique geographical and cultural attributes. From the vast, flat expanses of the Puszta, to the rolling hills of the Hungarian countryside, we will traverse these diverse landscapes, immersing ourselves in the country's scenic allure. So, without further ado, prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey through Hungary's most stunning vistas. Our first stop is the Great Plain, an expansive flatland that stretches as far as the eye can see. Journey with me to the heart of Hungary, where the landscape unfurls into a panorama of endless flatlands, the Great Plain. This is a region where the sky kisses the earth at the horizon, a place of vast openness, where the only boundaries are the ones we impose on ourselves. The Great Plain is not just a geographical marvel, but a cultural treasure too. It's the birthplace of traditional Hungarian horse shows, where skilled horsemen demonstrate their prowess in breathtaking performances. These shows are a testament to the symbiotic relationship between man and beast, a spectacle of strength, agility, and unspoken communication. The sight of these majestic creatures galloping across the plain, manes flowing in the wind, is a spectacle that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. But the charm of the Great Plain doesn't end there. This is a sanctuary for wildlife, a place where numerous species coexist in harmony. From the graceful deer darting across the fields to the harmonious chorus of birdsong that fills the air, the Great Plain is a live orchestra of nature's best symphonies. And then, of course, there are the vast sunflower fields. Imagine, if you will, a sea of golden blooms, their faces turned to the sun, swaying gently in the breeze. It's an image that speaks of hope, joy, and the simple pleasures of life. The sunflower fields are not just a feast for the eyes, but a balm for the soul, a reminder of nature's capacity to inspire and uplift. In the Great Plain, serenity and peacefulness reign. The hustle and bustle of city life feel a world away. Here, time slows down, and one is left to ponder the wonders of the natural world, the beauty of simplicity, and the joy of solitude. The Great Plain, with its endless horizon and tranquil beauty, is truly a sight to behold. A place where the earth meets the sky, where nature is at her most enchanting, and where one can truly experience the essence of Hungary. Next, we move to Lake Balaton, the largest lake in Central Europe, often referred to as the Hungarian Sea. A shimmering expanse of blue, nestled amidst lush greenery, Lake Balaton is a serene retreat that offers a wealth of recreational activities, making it a must-visit destination on any Hungarian itinerary. Here, the gentle waves of the lake beckon sailing enthusiasts, who find the calm and steady winds ideal for a leisurely sail. For those who prefer a more relaxed pace, fishing is a popular pastime. Lake Balaton is teeming with a variety of fish species, providing an exciting challenge for both novice and experienced anglers. But the allure of Lake Balaton extends beyond its waters. The lake's shores are dotted with vineyards where the fertile soils and favorable climate produce some of Hungary's most revered wines. Wine tastings are a quintessential Lake Balaton experience, allowing visitors to sample a range of local wines from the robust reds to the delicate whites, all while soaking in the breathtaking views of the lake. Adding to the charm of the area are the historical castles that stand as a testament to Hungary's rich past. These architectural gems, nestled amidst the vineyards and overlooking the lake, offer a fascinating glimpse into the country's history and culture. And when the sun dips below the horizon, Lake Balaton transforms into a haven for stargazers. Far from the city lights, the night sky here is a canvas of twinkling stars, providing a celestial spectacle that's truly awe-inspiring. Whether you're a nature lover seeking tranquility, an adventure enthusiast in search of thrilling activities, or a history buff fascinated by the past, Lake Balaton has something for everyone. This is a place where you can sail under the open sky, fish in the clear waters, savor the finest wines, explore historical castles, and gaze at the stars, all in a single day. With its crystal-clear waters and picturesque surroundings, Lake Balaton is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. From the calm waters of Lake Balaton, we journey to the rugged landscapes of Bükk National Park. Nestled in the heart of Hungary, this park is a treasure trove of nature's finest offerings. Imagine a place where the air is filled with the sweet fragrance of flowering cherry trees, where the ground is carpeted with a kaleidoscope of wildflowers, where the symphony of birdsongs echoes through the forest. This is Bükk National Park, home to a rich biodiversity that will leave nature enthusiasts in awe. The park is a sanctuary for over 1,000 plant species, some of which are exclusive to this region. It's not just the flora that is diverse but the fauna too. From the elusive lynx to the rare black stork, the park is a paradise for wildlife lovers. But Bükk National Park isn't just about plants and animals. The dramatic mountain ranges that dominate the park's landscape are a sight to behold. Rising high into the sky, these majestic peaks offer some of the most breathtaking views you can find in Hungary. On a clear day you can see as far as the eye can see, with the verdant valleys and sparkling rivers stretching out beneath you. For those who love a good adventure, Bükk National Park offers an array of hiking trails. From leisurely walks to challenging climbs, there's a trail for every fitness level. And the reward? Spectacular panoramic views that make every step worth it. Hidden beneath the park's rugged exterior lies another wonder, a network of rare cave systems. Each cave is a world unto itself, with unique rock formations and underground rivers. A journey into these caves is like stepping into a different realm, one that has been shaped by nature over millions of years. The Bükk National Park, with its untamed wilderness and majestic peaks, offers an unforgettable experience for every adventurer. Whether you're a nature lover, a hiking enthusiast, or a thrill seeker, this park has something for everyone. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to explore the wild heart of Hungary. Finally, we arrive in Budapest, Hungary's captivating capital, and specifically the enchanting panorama along the Danube River. This is where the city's heart beats, a vibrant and vital artery dividing and uniting the two halves of Buda and Pest. The Danube is more than just a river in Budapest. It's a pulsating spectacle of culture and history, creating an unforgettable panorama that leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. As we journey along its banks, we're greeted by a collection of architectural marvels that tell tales of the city's past. Here, the iconic Budapest Parliament building stands tall and proud, its Gothic revival facade a testament to the city's rich history and architectural prowess. With its spires reaching for the sky, it's a sight to behold, especially as the sun sets and the building's intricate details are illuminated in a warm, golden glow. Across the river, the Buda Castle towers over the city, a symbol of national pride and a beacon of Hungary's regal past. Its hilltop location provides an unparalleled view of the city, making it a must-visit spot for anyone seeking the perfect panorama. At night, the castle and its surrounding buildings light up, casting a magical glow over the river below. The chain bridge, another iconic landmark, connects Buda and Pest, symbolizing the unity and resilience of the city. Its majestic stone arches perfectly frame the river, creating an almost picture-perfect scene, especially when lit up in the evening. And let's not forget the stunning views during sunset and at night. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms into a twinkling canvas of lights, their reflections dancing on the river's surface, painting a picture of serenity and beauty that can only be described as breathtaking. The mesmerizing Danube panorama, with its majestic architectural marvels, is the perfect end to our journey across Hungary's most scenic spots. It's a testament to the city's charm and allure, a dazzling display of its history and culture, and above all, a celebration of its undying spirit. This is Budapest, a city that never fails to captivate, inspire, and leave you yearning for more. And there you have it, the most breathtaking sceneries Hungary has to offer. We've journeyed together through the vast expanses of the Great Plain, where the sky kisses the earth at the horizon. We've luxuriated in the serenity of Lake Balaton, a sapphire gem nestled in western Transdanubia. We've roamed the wilderness of Bükk National Park, a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Finally, we've strolled along the Danube in Budapest, soaking up the city's panoramic view that is as rich in history as it is in beauty. Each of these places holds a unique charm, a story waiting to be discovered. They beckon you with their majestic landscapes, their tranquil waters, their bustling cities, and their quiet forests. They invite you to step into a world where every glance reveals a new wonder. Every moment is a memory in the making. So why not make Hungary your next travel destination? Experience these scenes firsthand, breathe in the crisp air of the Great Plain, feel the cool waters of Lake Balaton, listen to the whispering leaves in Bükk National Park, and marvel at the architectural wonders along the Danube. Now it's over to you. Which area of Europe would you like us to cover next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.